Welcome, good afternoon. My name is Magali Poinot. I'm working for the Innovative Health Initiative Joint Undertaking. It's a European public-private partnership between the European Union, represented by the Commission, but also with 4 trade associations representing the pharmaceutical industry, representing the medical industry, the technology industry, the ICT industry, the diagnostic industry, and also the imaging industry. So it's a large-scale public partnership, public-private partnership, and it's a cross-sectorial partnership. So the objective of this partnership is to translate health research and innovation into efficient and effective solution for the patient and for the society. Of course, one of the other objectives is to make sure to ensure that Europe remains at the cutting edge of health research innovation. It's an important element, and as such, this partnership contributes to several European policies such as the Green Deal, the pharmaceutical strategy, but also the electronic health data space that is going to be adopted soon by the member states. How do we achieve this partnership? What do we do? We financially support research projects, bringing together all the stakeholders. By all the stakeholders, what do we mean? We mean we bring on board the industry, we bring on board the hospital, we bring on board the universities, the research organization, but also of most important, it's important to embark the patient, the regulator, the payers, the decision makers. So this partnership is really important in the sense that at the end we should make sure that everybody is concerned and agree on the research to carry on. So we regularly publish call for proposal, and we invite all these stakeholders to apply to this call for proposal. Anybody in Europe can join this initiative, health initiative. It doesn't mean that everybody will get financial support for the European Union, but everybody can be on board. And it's an important element because everybody has a say in research, everybody has a say in health research, everybody has a say in European health research. As a European initiative, so we invite everybody to join our research project. And most importantly, being now in Poland, we sincerely invite Polish organizations from the public and private side to join IHI research project. Why? First, because you will have the opportunity to get access to expertise. You will have the opportunity to get access to different stakeholders, to different players, big players, small players. You will also have the opportunity to enhance your visibility and reputation. It has been clearly demonstrated by joining IHI project that you enhance this visibility and this reputation, not only at European level, but at international level. And most important, at the end, it will enlarge your network. So you will benefit from every side, from every perspective, and at the end, you will contribute to the development of the health research in Europe.